Hey everyone, today we're going to take a look at the Avocado Molded Latex Pillow. Now Avocado really broke the mold when they came to the scene with their all-natural mattress. It just has all the certifications, all the green certifications you can imagine, and they've taken all that know-how, all those certifications, and put them into some of their accessories, including this pillow. Now before I've reviewed their other pillow, which is filled with kapok, which is a natural fiber, this one is a solid piece of latex. So what it does is it offers a lot of support. You're going to sink in a little bit to this pillow, but for the most part, it's just going to be a little bit, and then you're going to hit that support and you're just going to kind of bounce a little bit back. So this pillow is great for side sleepers or back sleepers. Stomach sleepers, it's just not going to give enough and your neck will probably be out of alignment. But this is a king size. Depth-wise, it measures about 6 inches. And it retails for about $120. If you're going to go with the standard size, that measures about 5.5 inches deep and retails for $99. So if you want just that extra ½ inch, go with a queen or king size and you get a little bit more depth to it. Now this pillow, as you can see, is made with an organic cotton cover. And it has just a little bit of stretch to it. Since it is an all-natural material, they don't add any polyester to give it any more stretch, but there's enough to allow the pillow to work to its full functionality. It also comes with a zipper. As you can see, it has this nice, slightly gusseted edge, as opposed to a knife edge that tapers off towards the end. This one, it's kind of squared off, and that's really good for side sleeping because you can get your shoulders right into that pillow. As you can see, here's the zipper here, and if we unzip this, now you'll see the latex itself. So this is a charcoal-infused latex. They actually get the charcoal from corn husks. So, you know, all the material that they're using right from the beginning is all natural. And so it doesn't have that kind of cream off-white color that natural latex has, and that's because they are infusing that with charcoal. Now the benefits of charcoal is, one, it does help a little bit with temperature regulation, but the other added benefit is it's great for neutralizing odors. You know, as your pillow gets older, you may notice that it can smell a little, and this is just gonna prolong the longevity of that pillow and it's gonna keep it fresh. The other thing to note is you saw these little holes throughout the pillow, and those are made when you pour latex into a mold. So when they take it out of the mold, you get these holes throughout, and that's just a natural way to increase breathability. So this pillow is going to sleep extremely temperature neutral because air is just going to pass right through it. And of course, cotton is also good with regulating temperature. So altogether, it's just a great pillow to add to an all-natural mattress. Some people just like the feel of latex regardless of what mattress they sleep on. I'm a big fan of latex because you don't have to worry about it sinking in over the night and having to fluff up your pillow. Once you sink in, that's where you're going to be the whole night. You don't really have to worry about it moving it around or shifting. This pillow is great for people that just want a little bit firmer feel. If you want to go softer, go with the Avocado kapok pillow. But all in all, this is just an extremely good feel. Plus, they also offer a trial period on this. So if you don't like it within that trial period, it's a free return. So you're not out any money. So head on over to sleepsherpa.com where you can get the latest discounts and the full review.